Hello everyone. Welcome back to Ceylon Travels. I'm so glad to have you here. This is our second travel video, and today, we're about to explore a hidden treasure tucked away in the central hills of Sri Lanka, the magical Sembuwaththa Lake. Hidden in the misty highlands of the Matale district, near a small village called Elkaduwa, lies a peaceful and lesser-known escape, Sembuwaththa Lake. Located about 25 kilometers from Kandy, this stunning man-made lake is built beside a natural spring and is surrounded by the dense Rusafini forest. At first glance, Sembuwaththa feels like something straight out of a fairy tale, golden waters shimmering under the sun, forested hills whispering in the breeze, and cottages scattered around like cozy dreams. Yes, you heard that right. There are now about 10 beautiful summer cottages built around the lake, making it a perfect place for a peaceful getaway or a romantic escape. For those who love a little adventure, there's a boat service available that lets you glide across the calm lake waters, a perfect way to soak in the tranquility of this paradise. And don't worry, it's safe and well managed. 2 to 2:30 right next to the lake, there's a natural swimming pool that's about 5 feet deep, filled with cool spring water from the hills. Waterwave. It's ideal for a refreshing dip on a sunny day, safe enough for kids and fun for the whole family. Wondering how to get here? If you're coming from Kandy, just head through Kachigastota and take the route via Wadagama to reach Elkaduwa. From Matale, take the scenic road through Ukuwala. It's a beautiful journey through lush greenery and hill country charm. If you're coming from Kandy, just head through Kachigastota and take the route via Wadagama to reach Elkaduwa. From Matale, take the scenic road through Ukuwala. It's a beautiful journey through lush greenery and hill country charm. As the sun sets, a golden glow falls across the water, and the lake becomes even more magical. Some visitors love to stay overnight, enjoying a quiet evening around a campfire, wrapped in the crisp mountain air. There's something truly peaceful about Sembuwaththa at night. It's like nature's lullaby. Sembuwaththa might not be as famous as other tourist spots in Sri Lanka, but maybe that's what makes it so special. It's one of those rare places where you feel connected to nature, and where the memories stay with you long after you leave. So if you're planning your next peaceful getaway, don't miss out on Sembuwaththa Lake. It's a hidden gem waiting to be explored, and you'll fall in love with it just like I did. Sparkling Heart, thank you so much for joining me on this journey. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Ceylon Travels for more beautiful places around Sri Lanka. Until next time, stay happy and keep exploring.